Well, hello, thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony, and I'm here at Independence Lodge number 76, of course, here in Independence, Missouri. It's that's this building right here, and I've never seen a column like that before, so that's kind of neat. On a sign, I should say. So that's really cool. But we're going to go into this lodge and hopefully meet some of these brothers. I just want to show you a little bit about the outside. They've got a nice lit up area here that's going to go to the flagpole. There's no flag on it right now, but if they had a flag on it, they surely would light it up with that. We're going to go inside and take a look around, and we'll show you this lodge, or at least that is the goal. So come on and join us if you like videos like this. Be sure to check out our playlist, Masonic Buildings, and I'll show you about 100, I think we're up to 170 now of Masonic buildings from around the country, so be sure to check it out. So let's go inside, because you just entered the Coolest Life, Masonic Edition. Well, good news, we are in. Just came through that door right there. Got a nice side logo at the bottom. So on up the stairs here, you've got the, they got a really nice signing area. I like this old style secretary / draftsman's table here. It's really tall too, it's like waist high. So that's really good. And I got the district deputy and the past city master there. The pictures. Got some York right represented here. I know him. Made him another lodge. It's awesome. So let's go inside the main room. Inside the main room here, we look for a door knocker. I don't see one, but I'm going to close this door. They've got a nice big room. This is one of the larger rooms in the district, if not the state. It's really wide. The door's not wanting to close. Oh, I think I got it. Let's start here at the senior wardens. Oh, looky here. They've got one just like that last lodge we were in. You remember that one? Ooh, let's ding it. Ooh, that's nice. I like that. I like that. It's also a good size column here. Wow, that's up there. That's 9.5 feet. That's nice. I like the big columns, and it's got some nice lily work around it. Oh, check it out. They're blue. So many of them are brown. They're just a brown stick, but this is blue. You don't see a lot of blue ones. Now check out the angle of the chairs. You know, it's wider. It's wider up front than it is in the back. Got a column here. So maybe he's got the. There you go. Got the logo on the column. Boy, that's glass. That's more like a hard plexiglass. You don't see many of those. See, it's actually got his logo on the bottom there too. Got the plumb. Sorry, the level. As the level is also there. How about that? The mighty 76. Nice. Leather too. And if you keep on going back, check out his ceiling. Don't see that every day. Let me tell you. I've never seen that on the ceiling. They're just for the senior warden. Wow. There's the other column there. Nice big picture here. Lots going on. Lots going on. It's like an old register here, there. That's the inner door. Or I guess that would be, yeah, inner door. Lots of nice lithographs going all the way around. I wish more lodges would do things like this. You see so many lodges, they've got windows maybe, and there's nothing else, and they're all blank spaces. I like the extra touches. Even the reproductive lithographs are still really cool. And here you've got theater C, and look at this, we got 2 steps back. This room is really square. I guess it is. It's really wide. It's wider than most. Got a baby grand in here. We've got a couple of different, check this out. They've got a perfect aster and a rough aster in one. That's nice. Got the Masonic logo on top of it. You get your ballot box down there. You got one a lot like it here. I could just turn that, didn't I? Just spun it, and that thing, the top piece spun with it. Here you got your box, green and padded. Nice. Little ballot boxes, but we do see a lot of them like that one right there. My home lodge has got one just like it. I like the picture in the back with the sun. That's nice. You got your broken column here. Don't know what that is. I have no idea what that is. Can't talk about those. More symbolisms, like the big chair. Doesn't look all that comfortable. Got some lumps in it. Hey, let me tell you, Worship Master's chair is the most uncomfortable chair in any lodge. Not physically, mentally, it's the most uncomfortable chair. They got some podiums back there, but I like the nice painting back there on the wall, and it's curved too, so it kind of curves all around this way here and goes all the way that way. So that's really nice, and it's a nice touch. Got extra chairs though. Chaplain normally sits up there with them in the state of Missouri. So you've also got your marshal that sits down here. Secretary sits over here. He's actually on the floor in this lodge. There's an extra column over there. Picture Harry S. Truman up on the wall, and we've got the Grand Council of Job's Daughter. It's like they've got their, if they're still having meetings, they've got their charter here. This would be there's here. Oh, look, there's an Order of Demolay. There's their charter. Royal Select Masters. So they got a York Rite represented here. There's Knights Templar. And this is the lodge here. They said this lodge here has actually been the sponsor lodge of many lodges around the country, to include, I think he said California, Oregon, Kansas. But this particular lodge has been the sponsor of some grand lodges, so it's kind of cool. They used to have a lower number, and then a lodge got surrendered, and they ended up taking 76, which is why they're Independent 76. And Harry S. Truman has visited this lodge before. He's actually his home where he grew up is just 2 blocks from here in Independence, Missouri. I like that. That's a nice oil painting, and they got a sheaf of wheat suspended there. And if we look on here, you get the same kind of thing you see as a senior warden, but he's got a plum in here. And of course, they got this one right, they got this one standing. And he's got his gavel there, that there. Nice. We don't see no markings here, none up there. But hey, that's nice. That's a nice piece. I've never seen one that you can actually see through their jewel all the way to the bottom. Check this out, Star of David with some working tools on it. I don't think I've ever seen this one here before. It's definitely Masonic looking, with the columns and the level and the square. Let's see what we have here. Another nice one. Like the pictures. It's such a good touch. Definitely like the pictures. And last but certainly not least, we've got our altar. You notice there's no kneeling pad here. Typically we do see some sort of kneeling pad there. I like this one. That's got some girth to it. That's about as big around as a 12-ounce can. Good size. Oh, nice. I better figure out a way to turn it off. There we go. You just turn that there. I may put these together for him. I think I'll move those. We'll see. I doubt they'll say anything. They were just kind of laying there. Oh, nice. It's got metal. Freemasonry in the Holy Bible. A little different than some that we've seen. Definitely have seen some of these pictures. That one there is pretty common. I've seen them many times, Freemasonry President. But I don't think I've seen this picture here. Henry Prince, first Grand Master of North American colonies. And of course we got these, or the star, biblical index of Freemasonry. Nice. Nice. Good looking altar. Good looking altar. Yes, I am underdressed. I wouldn't normally do a video in an uncollared shirt in a Masonic lodge, but I was coming from Columbia, which is nowhere near here, and I didn't want to go back to the house and be late for the meeting, so they told me to just come on. I'm actually wearing shorts too, which is a huge no-no if you're in the great state of Georgia. You can't wear shorts in any lodge in the great state of Georgia. But anyway, you can here in this state, and they've allowed me, and I still would not normally wear shorts and a t-shirt in any lodge as a visitor. I would at minimum wear jeans and a polo shirt. But I digress. So if you're in Independence, Missouri, and you want to come visit a lodge, by all means, come visit this one. Independence 76, very easy to remember. And it's over here, Independence, Missouri is over here near Kansas City. So just come on out and visit these brothers and check out our playlist of Masonic buildings from around the country. I'm going to let you go. Be sure to like and subscribe, because I need to get back out here living the coolest life, Masonic edition.